99% of people describe their hometown wrong.
Wait, seriously? What's wrong with saying my hometown is very beautiful?
It's super boring. Today, you'll learn how to sound like a native speaker instantly when describing where you live.
Oh, awesome. I always struggle to find the right words during job interviews and exams.
Exactly. Let's fix that right now with our first secret: stop using generic words like nice or big.
So, what should I say instead of big or small?
If it's a small, peaceful place, use quaint or picturesque.
Quaint. Like, my hometown is a quaint little village?
Perfect. And if it's a huge, busy city, call it a sprawling metropolis or bustling city.
Ooh, sprawling metropolis sounds incredibly professional.
It does. Now, let's move to lesson block 2, describing the local vibe.
Right, because cities aren't just buildings. They have a soul.
Exactly. Instead of saying there are many things to do, say it has a vibrant atmosphere.
Or dynamic lifestyle?
Yes. And if your town is famous for something, don't say it has a famous church.
Let me guess. Renowned for?
Bullseye. My town is renowned for its historic architecture.
That sounds so much more fluent than just saying old buildings.
It changes everything. Now, let's unlock lesson block 3, the golden formula for hometown descriptions.
There's a formula? Tell me.
Yes. First, name and type. Second, landmark or specialty. Third, personal feeling.
So, location plus feature plus feeling?
Precisely. Instead of just listing facts, share how the place makes you feel.
Ah. Like, it's a place where I feel deeply connected to nature?
Brilliant. That adds emotional depth that native speakers love.
Can we try a real roleplay using everything we've learned?
Let's do it. I'll ask you the classic IELTS question: can you describe your hometown?
Ready. Ask away.
So, tell me, where are you from and what is it like there?
Well, I grew up in a quaint coastal town called Astoria.
Nice start. Go on.
It's renowned for its breathtaking seaside views and historic lighthouses.
Excellent vocabulary. What about the vibe?
It has an incredibly laid-back atmosphere, but it gets bustling during the summer holidays.
Perfect contrast. And how does it make you feel?
Even though I live in a sprawling metropolis now, Astoria will always be my peaceful sanctuary.
Wow. That was absolutely flawless. 10 out of 10.
It felt so much more natural to say that.
Now it's your turn, viewers. Pause the video right now.
Yes. Try to describe your hometown in the comments using at least 2 new words.
We will personally read and grade your descriptions.
Let's do a super fast recap before you write.
Step 1. Replace nice with quaint or bustling.
Step 2. Use renowned for instead of famous for.
Step 3. Use the golden formula: location, feature, and your personal connection.
And don't forget to practice speaking it out loud.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We have a brand new video every single day to help you become fluent.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.